The SIG Sauer M17 isn't just another handgun, it represents a major shift in how the U.S. military equips its soldiers. For decades, the Beretta M9 dominated as the standard-issue sidearm, becoming a symbol of American forces worldwide. But as modern warfare evolved, so did the need for a more adaptable, reliable, and modular pistol. That's where the M17 enters the scene. Back in 2017, after years of testing under the Modular Handgun System program, the U.S. Army officially selected the M17, a military version of the SIG Sauer P320. This wasn't just a routine upgrade, it was a complete rethinking of what a service pistol should be. Soldiers needed a sidearm that could adapt to different missions, hand sizes, and environments, and the M17 delivered exactly that. At first glance, the M17 might look like a standard semi-automatic pistol, but its real strength lies beneath the surface. One of its most revolutionary features is its modular design. Unlike older pistols, the M17 allows users to swap out components like grips and slides. This means a single firearm can be customized for different roles or users without needing an entirely new weapon. In a military context, that flexibility is a game changer. Another major advantage is its striker-fired system. Compared to the traditional hammer-fired design of the M9, the M17 offers a more consistent trigger pull, improving accuracy and ease of use, especially under stress. For soldiers in high-pressure situations, this consistency can make a critical difference. The M17 is chambered in 9mm, a caliber that has proven its effectiveness across decades of military use. While some critics argue about stopping power, the military has compensated by adopting modern ammunition designs that significantly enhance performance. Combined with the pistol's improved ergonomics, the result is a weapon that is both powerful and controllable. One feature that stands out immediately is the inclusion of a manual safety. While many modern striker-fired pistols lack this, the U.S. Army required it for added security. This decision reflects the realities of military use, where weapons are often carried in unpredictable conditions. The safety ensures an extra layer of protection without compromising readiness. Durability is another area where the M17 excels. Built to withstand harsh environments, from desert heat to freezing cold, it has undergone extensive testing to ensure reliability. Whether it's dust, mud, or water, the M17 is designed to keep functioning when it matters most. This level of reliability is essential for a service weapon that soldiers depend on for survival. The pistol also comes optics ready, allowing for the attachment of red dot sights. This is a significant upgrade compared to older service pistols and reflects a broader trend in modern combat. Optics improve target acquisition speed and accuracy, especially in low-light or fast-moving scenarios. For today's soldiers, this capability is no longer optional, it's becoming standard. Another key improvement is the M17's magazine capacity. With a standard 17-round magazine and extended options available, soldiers have more firepower at their disposal compared to the M9. In close-quarters combat, those extra rounds can be crucial. But beyond the technical features, the adoption of the M17 represents something bigger. It signals a shift toward modernization and adaptability in the U.S. military. The battlefield is constantly changing, and equipment must evolve alongside it. By choosing a modular platform, the Army has ensured that the M17 can continue to evolve with future upgrades, rather than becoming obsolete. Of course, no weapon is without controversy. Early in its service life, the M17 and its civilian counterpart, the P320, faced scrutiny over reported drop safety issues. SIG Sauer responded with design improvements and voluntary upgrades, reinforcing confidence in the platform. Today, the M17 is widely regarded as safe and reliable, with those initial concerns largely addressed. The transition from the M9 to the M17 hasn't happened overnight. Replacing a service pistol across an entire military is a massive undertaking. Training programs, logistics, and supply chains all need to adapt. But step by step, the M17 is becoming the new standard, not just for the Army but also for other branches of the U.S. military. What makes the M17 particularly interesting is how it bridges military and civilian worlds. The P320 platform is widely available on the civilian market, meaning many of the innovations developed for the military are accessible to law enforcement and private users as well. This crossover helps drive further innovation and refinement. In real-world use, soldiers have praised the M17 for its ergonomics and ease of handling. The grip design accommodates a wide range of hand sizes, making it more comfortable and intuitive to use. Combined with its improved trigger system, this results in better accuracy and confidence in the field. Another aspect worth mentioning is maintenance. The modular design doesn't just make the pistol adaptable, it also makes it easier to maintain. Parts can be replaced quickly, reducing downtime and ensuring that the weapon remains operational. In a military setting, where reliability is everything, this is a huge advantage. The M17 also reflects a broader trend toward standardization across allied forces. As NATO and partner countries continue to collaborate, having compatible equipment becomes increasingly important. While not all allies use the M17, the move toward modern, modular pistols is a shared direction. Looking ahead, the M17 is likely to remain in service for many years. Its design allows for continuous upgrades, whether that's new optics, improved ammunition, or enhanced components. This future-proofing ensures that the pistol won't just meet today's needs but can adapt to tomorrow's challenges as well. In the end, the SIG Sauer M17 is more than just a new service pistol, it's a symbol of evolution. It replaces a legacy weapon that served for decades and introduces a platform built for the future. From its modular design to its modern features, the M17 represents a new era in military sidearms. For anyone interested in military technology, firearms innovation, or the evolution of modern warfare, the story of the M17 is a fascinating one. It shows how even something as seemingly simple as a pistol can undergo significant transformation, driven by the demands of a changing world. And as the M17 continues to roll out across the U.S. military, one thing is clear: the era of the old service pistol is coming to an end, and a new standard has taken its place.